Why do I look crooked? It needs to be like this. Oh yeah, that brought some youth back into me. I'm losing it. Oh my god, I'm gonna forget everything. I feel like I forgot like 500 things. Hello loves and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I think it's been over a month since I have filmed. So I'm probably going to be very much out of the loop. I'm going to mess up a few times, but you know what? That's the real and rawness you're going to find here on this channel. I even forgot how to set up my lights, so if it all looks a little bit different, that's part of it. And another part is that I live in Florida and we had a hurricane come in, so we covered all the windows, and my intelligent husband was like, let's leave most of them on and just take off 2 of them. And of course my beauty room was one of those. So I feel so weird not seeing light come from the back, but we will make do with it. Well, as you saw by the caption of the video, the title, whatever you want to call it, this is a hair tutorial basically on things that I have used to grow my hair. I'm going to definitely try to find pictures of how my hair used to look and try to put them in. If you don't see them, it's because I couldn't find them. Because it's been a while since, like, now in this new digital world, we don't take pictures that we just pull up and show. Now it's everything is digital. But I'm going to definitely look for it. I feel like I do know exactly where it is. Okay, so basically you have to take care of your hair from the outside as well as the inside. So I'm going to talk about products that I use on my hair, and then I'm going to talk about vitamins that are very important, because if you do not nourish yourself from the outside, from the inside out, you're not going to go nowhere. You could put so much here, but you also need nutrients on the inside. We need it for our bodies, for our system. We also need it for our hairs and our nails and our skin. So the funny thing is, I'm going to tell you guys that how I started my whole Instagram, my YouTube, was basically one day my hair was falling out. It was like I went to a hair salon. I never used to go to a hair salon, and I went a few too many times within 2 years, and she left a product on, a bleaching product, for too long, and it basically it killed my roots. Like it tormented them. It left them terrible, and it took almost 6 months before my hair seriously started to fall out, and it would not grow past here. So right now my hair is that long, and it was this short for, I don't know, like more than 5 years. So the last 5 years I've been taking care of it, and I've been using the products that I'm going to show you. I went through 100 billion products because I went through 100 billion videos on what to do. So that's how I ran into a makeup tutorial video, and I was like, oh, that looks fun. Oh my god, they use brushes. I never used to use brushes. I always did my makeup. I grew up in the beauty industry. My mom was a woman that took care of herself from makeup to hair to everything. She was a beauty consultant for a few companies. Her most proudest one was Jafra Cosmetics, which I still use today, and I also review them on my Instagram. So check out my Instagram. You'll see different reviews from different companies that send me products. But as far as the hair goes, I started watching a bunch of girls, and I just took a little bit from each one and said, let me try and see what's going to work for me. So I'm going to give you my ride or die products that I have felt that have really helped me a lot. Okay, we're going to start with shampoo. So I have a shampoo that actually was sent to me, and this one is from Schwarzkopf, something like that, and it's the Gliss Hair Repair Fiber Therapy, and you can find this at Walgreens. These, I think they sometimes have them on sale, but usually I pay like either $6 for them. And this is a shampoo and conditioner. It also came with a little spray that I love, and this is a repair in oil spray. Amazing. So if you want something inexpensive that works great, this has been the one, because I've used them all, but this has been the one that really worked on my hair. I've also tried a lot of products from Briogeo. Love their products. There's nothing I haven't tried from them that has not been good. This one right here is Color Me Brilliant, but I've had probably 2 other ones from them that I love, and as you can see, definitely do use it. The latest one that I received is this one from Seychelles. I think that's how you say it. It's an Argan oil shampoo. And this not only smells delicious, but it is so good. My hair is super soft. So they range in different prices. I'm going to link them below so you could take a look. As far as like deep conditioning treatments, okay, I'm going to give you the most inexpensive one that you could find at Walmart, and it's the Mega Growth Deep Conditioning Anti-Breakage. And this one, if you go to the section where all the hair stuff is at, you will see it. It smells delicious. It works wonderfully. And sometimes what I do is I put it on and I put like a shower cap and I go throughout whatever I'm doing. This I do when I'm staying home. I do my housework and everything, and then I take it off. And if I'm in a real rush, that I just don't have time, when I go take a shower, I go ahead and put this on. I wash my hair first, and then I put this on, and then I go ahead and bathe and do everything that you do in the shower. So those 5 to 10 minutes, it's working. Another one that I loved is from Eva-Nyc. This is their therapy session hair mask. Love this. Definitely recommend to use this. I found this at Ulta. It was sent to me, but I did buy the shampoo, the products, the spray. I have the main Magic 10-in-1 primer spray. This is like a shine spray. It's one of those that doesn't leave your hair greasy and smells delicious. So recommend that one. Another one is from Amika. This I got sent probably about 2 months ago, and I love it. I love it. It is really good, as you can tell. And it smells delicious and it works great. It's a little more pricier. This one I think ranges around like 20-something dollars, while this one is like $6. So it's going to be your preference. Always try the cheaper one first. As far as oils, I did try oils, and I ended up getting a bunch of different oils and mixing them together in bowls, and I did the avocado thing. I did everything, okay? Even teas. Guava tea is very good, just in case. But this one is the Ultimate Herbal Oil, and it has pretty much every oil that I bought individually. And this one I think is like $5. And you can find it at Walmart in the same section, so I recommend that. If it's real bad, you can try this Amla. I love this product. I think it's from India, if I'm correct. And you basically mix it with water. I ended up putting some oils in it, and I mixed it, and I would put it in my hair, leave it in my hair. It has instructions in the back, but this worked really great. I got this on Amazon. I think they even have it on eBay, so you could try that out. When my hair was falling off, my hairdresser was like, why don't you use this? She charged me a whopping $65 for this, instead of giving it to me when she damaged my hair. This is the oxygenated treatment, and I'll put the link below. I found this on, I think it was Amazon or eBay, and I paid like $20 for it. Super cheap. And these are little water drops. It helps to bring oxygen to your head. Another thing that I used to do is I used to do the invert procedure, where you basically put your head upside down between your legs, and you wait about 4 minutes, and you massage your scalp, and what happens is all the blood rushes to your head, and it gives you more oxygen. So, but be advised, some people get dizzy with this. I did not. I can't do it anymore because now I have vertigo, so it would definitely like activate it beyond anything, so I don't do it, but it did work, and it did make my hair grow as well. For leave-in conditioners, like stuff that you just leave in, I use Briogeo, Color Me Brilliant. I've used Pantene. I always recommend that you put a leave-in conditioner, because this keeps working while you going about your day. So you put some on, and then you do whatever. If you're going to put gel, if you're going to blow dry it, put a little bit on. This spray that I was talking about earlier, Gliss Hair Repair, it's amazing. I love it. I need to buy a new one. So these are products that I got sent, but I have definitely purchased them, and will keep purchasing them. 2 oil treatments that are very lightweight that I put on my hair to leave, to give it a little more health, and also to protect it from the heat. This one from Agave, oh my goodness, I got this scent, and this is my top favorite, okay, because I don't know if you ever use those oil creams and you feel your hands afterwards and it feels greasy. This one does not. It literally like melts into my skin and my hair, and I don't feel it when I touch it. My ultimate favorite one. I'll link it below as well. I got sent this after I got sent the shampoo and conditioner from Seychelles. I'm messing it up. It's an Argan oil treatment, and we already know that Argan is amazing for the hair. This one is really good. It's not as, it doesn't like evaporate. I want to say the word, it's not the word, but it doesn't, it leaves a little bit of a residue in your hand, but not as much as the other ones. So I love this as well. And I will link these below. You already talked to you guys about the spray. The last and most important thing is vitamins, and I got sent these heartbreaker vitamins. Oh my god, they're like shaped like little hearts. Let me pull one out. These are so yummy. Okay, I had to stop myself, I don't even know how many times, from eating them just like they were candy, but they're little hearts. Look how cute that is. They taste delicious. They're great. They have every vitamin that your hair needs, and obviously if you're taking anything from your hair, this is for skin and nails, so it's all 3 in 1, and I love that. I'm gonna link their website below, and any information about them. They are soy free, cruelty free, and gluten free, and they are amazing. Like, I've been using this. I'm almost finished. I probably got like a week left. You take 2 a day, and it's been great. I've tried other ones. I just don't like a lot of the stuff that they put in it, and these were basically straight to what you need and not all these added ingredients that you don't really need in your system. So definitely check them out and try them out. But that's pretty much it, guys. It's real simple. Like I said, I have a drawer full of stuff that I've used throughout the years, but these are the ones that I have repurchased and love. So definitely give it a try and see if it works for you. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them below. So if you like this video, then please don't forget to hit like, and please don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you are notified when I upload next. I always finish my videos with something positive, and there's so many things going through my head, and I'm feeling like a lot of you to go through that. And if you're having one of those moments that it's like, oh my god, too much to bear, just remember, it's only a moment. It's not going to last forever. And don't let that one moment mess up with the rest of your day. Remember that every negative has a positive. So just stay positive. It will come. And later on in life, when you look back at the things you worried about, you're going to laugh about it, because I do with a lot of things that happened in my past. So besides that, you all take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Like, and please don't forget to hit the little subscribe button so you are, yeah, I messed that up, didn't I? I messed that up. Okay, let's try that again.